Welcome to our training, Manage Your Experiments, Interpret Results for Listing Content You've Tested. In this third video of the Manage Your Experiments series, we'll show you how to view, assess, and apply the results of an MYE test. If you haven't watched our earlier videos on planning and setting up an MYE test, we recommend viewing them before you continue with this final training. After setting up an MYE test and submitting it to Amazon for validation, you can check the status of your experiment anytime on the MYE homepage. An active status means that your experiment is in progress and that customers viewing your listing content are being split into two groups. One group sees your original A content each time it appears in the Amazon store. The other group sees your alternate B content. You can usually review updated results for an experiment every 1 to 2 weeks by viewing its details in MYE. If you decide to review results before an experiment ends, remember that they can fluctuate because results represent actual customer behavior, including any atypical traffic over a short period of time. Results are more reliable when they're viewed after an experiment has run to significance, or if it's run for at least 8 to 10 weeks. We provide 3 types of MYE results and present aggregate data if your test includes more than one ASIN. At the top of the results page, you'll see a percentage for the probability that one version of your content is better than the other. Underneath your probability percentage, you'll see a breakdown of metrics for your A and B content. You can compare total units sold and total sales associated with the appearance of each version. You can also view the sample size for each version of your content, which we use to calculate 2 percentages. The first is conversion rate, which is the number of customers who viewed a version of your detail page content and made a purchase, divided by the sample size. The second percentage is units sold per unique visitor, which is the total units sold after customers viewed a version of your content divided by the sample size. The last result type you'll see for a completed MYE test is the projected 1-year impact of your winning content. We calculate this impact by determining the average daily units sold and the average daily sales for both your losing and winning content. We then subtract the losing averages from your winning ones and multiply by 365. These estimates can't take seasonality, price changes, and other factors into account, so they aren't a guarantee of future sales. But they can help you understand how the results of your MYE experiment might scale. You'll see a most likely column for your projected 1-year impact, which shows the average outcome calculated. You'll also see best case and worst case columns, which show high and low outcomes calculated with 95% statistical confidence. After reviewing the results of your experiment, you can publish your alternate content using standard listing tools. Or if you left the auto-publish option defaulted while setting up your MYE test, we'll publish your alternate content automatically as long as it performed significantly better than your existing listing content. This concludes our training and our series on MYE. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!